Greg again from Heck Yeah, You Can Cook, and today you are going to make a super simple grill dish. They're going to cook outside. You can do this inside on a broiler if you like, but I prefer a grill for this dish. It is a turkey breast that we're going to prepare with garlic and Parmesan seasoning, along with some fresh rosemary, as well as bacon. Heck yeah. It's going to be and very simple put together. It takes a few minutes on the grill. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And please go to our Facebook group on Facebook at Heck Yeah You Can Cook. We're also on Pinterest, and we're also on Instagram. So check us out. I also have a webpage, heckyeahYouCanCook.com. Now, first of all, we're going to have some, I don't know if you've seen these in the store, but these are turkey breasts. They're usually in a plastic container in the meat section. And these are like $7, sometimes less. 2 large turkey breasts will easily feed your family. And very good deal, just they're not easy to cook with unless you have some ideas. So that's what I'm doing here today. I've got some garlic Parmesan. This is the Weber brand for the grill. Garlic Parmesan, your choice. This will work with about any seasoning you like. I prefer garlic Parmesan with this recipe. This has salt in it, so once again, if it has salt in it, I don't add salt to it. I got some spray. If you, that's Grill Trick 101, life hack. You're going to use that outside when we're grilling. Got some fresh rosemary. You don't have to. This is a completely optional step here, but you can use the fresh rosemary. I also got 6 slices of thick cut bacon. You may need less, and bacon just stores well, so you'll be fine if you don't use it all. I've got some tongs for flipping, and I've got a knife for cutting the rosemary. So the first thing you want to do, and I've already done this off camera, is you want to remove this from the package, rinse it thoroughly because it's soaked in a saline solution, and then you're going to pat it dry with some paper towels. That's already been done, so I've got it patted dry, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my Weber seasoning to both sides. Now I didn't measure this out because you kind of just have to look at what you have as the turkey breast and just kind of cut it around. Nothing really scientific, and every turkey breast is going to be a different size, so giving you an exact size is not going to work here. Don't forget the ends. I usually sprinkle a little bit on the plate and stab it. Now that you've got those nice and seasoned, make sure you wash your hands. So once we've got our hands washed, we're going to come back and we're going to, at that point in time, add the rosemary. And I like to cut these in the length of the turkey. And just add a couple sprigs. Now we're not going to do both sides. Alright, cut them with my knife, add them in. And now here comes the fun part. Y'all like bacon? Heck yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the bacon, and you're going to wrap it around just like so. You need to sing a rap song while you're doing it. Putting the bacon on, yo, yo, yo. That is silly, I know, no. Alright, so there we go. Got the bacon wrapped around. It's some big bacon, so like I said, wrap it. Be creative with it. You don't have to go straight across. Sometimes go sideways with it. It's just going to be adding flavor and cooking as you use it on the grill. Wrap it all the way around. Looks like I can probably split this piece in half. Why waste the bacon? Heck yeah. Cover up some more sections. There you have it. I usually go ahead and spray down. The side I'm going to put grill side down first. We're going to take this with us. Next we're going to go out to the grill. We'll show you how it's done. Thanks everybody. Okay everyone, we have come outside now. I've got my grill up to about 370 degrees. There we go. We're going to lay these bad boys in. And we are going to put them up on the rosemary side up first. Uh-oh, got a little unwrapped there. Push that back together. All right, we're gonna cook these. I usually let these go about 20 minutes and then check on them, and then we'll do that at that time. All right, everybody, 20 minutes has gone by. You hear that wonderful sizzle? Trying to flip these. Ooh, that's pretty. All right. We're going to let this go about another 15 minutes and we'll check the temperature on those. We hit the magic temperature about 160, 165, they'll be good. Heck yeah. Hey, we're back, everybody. Sorry about the background noise, but my neighbors are cutting the grass. They didn't know I was doing this today. Turkey breast temperatures have come up. There you go. Bacon wrapped. Look at the sunshine. Bacon wrapped turkey breast, Parmesan, garlic seasoning. You pick your favorite. With fresh rosemary. Everyone have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoy.